Hey gang, y'all, welcome back to the Roadhouse. Today we're gonna do another brisket, brisket 2.0 on the Lone Star Grill's offset. This time I got a little baby prime. It's 8.5 pounds, and I trimmed it up a little bit. And it's still early in the day, not real big. We're gonna get it on there and see what we can do with it. I will be using SuckleBuster's 1836 beef rub. That's good stuff. And of course, some Uncle Steve's original shake. Y'all go check out Uncle Steve and UncleSteveShake.com, and go check out SuckleBuster's at SuckleBusters.com. Get y'all some of them good rubs, man. I'm telling you, shake it all over everything. Anyway, y'all check this out. Little baby brisket. I had to scoop it up, man, since they seem to be few and far between. And I do have a big one in my deep freezer, but I felt like eating a little brisket today. But pretty nice marbling. I will be cooking fat side down. So let me get this seasoned up, y'all, and I'll meet y'all out by the pit when we're ready to throw this goodness on there. So I'll see y'all in a minute. Okay, man, we up to temp. Let's get this dude put on here. Middle of the top rack. Alright. We're smoking with cherry and pecan wood today. So we'll let that go and we'll be back in a little bit. Now we're in. I'm about 200. Now I do have the flame balls hooked up. And also, we're going to add some water. About a half gallon of water. For a little moisture. There we go. Gonna get a good and happy. Alright. Flat's running about 89, point's running about 116. We're getting there. About 3.5 hours in. Of course, this is a small brisket. We are right at done. Flat's running 198, point is running 193. So we're gonna let this go a little bit more and probably go up, 205, something like that. All right, we got the brisket off. Flat come out about 210, point about 209. Anyway, we're gonna let it sit here and rest. Oh, probably for, I don't know, 45 minutes to an hour. We'll come back and unwrap it and check it out. Y'all look fast. I got Miss Carrie in the kitchen. I caught her making some asparagus and bacon. Alright, y'all, let's cut this dude up. We're just gonna go straight down the middle. Oh Lord, that's, oh my goodness. Carrie Berry. Look at that. Holy smokes, y'all. Got a nice little smoke ring on there. Man. Huh? Pouring in. Look at that, y'all. Oh, my goodness. Nice little smoke ring there. I feel like it could rest just a hair more. So, tell you what, let's cut us a little slice here and see what we got. Oh, man, look at that juice coming out of there. Holy smoke. A little point, a little flat. Let's pull that off of there. There you go, folks. I'll check that out. That's how we like it, just like that. Hell yeah. That's a prime for sure. We'll hit that one more time. You want to try a little piece, Carrie Berry?
Not right now.
No? Okay. I want to get some of this point side also. Smoked, y'all. Get that fat off of it. Look how tender that is. Still smoking. Look at that. Alright, going in on the point side, y'all. Cheers to you. I'm really digging that 1836 beef rub. Damn, no, that's good. I'll cut some off this other end. Right here. Let's have us a little bite of that bark right there. What y'all think about that? That's good, y'all. Alright, let me get this sliced up, and we'll get this other stuff cooked up right quick. And I'll get y'all some plate pics. The LSG did an excellent job on that brisket. Man, that is awesome. Very good. I'm pleased with that cook. Anyway, thank y'all for stopping by again. Y'all have a great weekend, and we'll see y'all next time.